how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. So what we have to do is we have to go to Google and first search for restore old Roblox server list. Just Google search for this and open up the first link. Here, the Chrome Web Store. Now we want to install this extension, so just select add to Chrome here and then add extension. Okay, so after we have added this extension to Chrome, we can go back to Roblox and just refresh. Okay, so if you have successfully installed this extension, then if we click on the puzzle piece here, you will be able to see restore all Roblox server list. So for example, let's say you want to join a YouTuber or a streamer, somebody on Roblox that's playing a specific game, and you can see what game they are playing. Just as an example, I'll use this person. I'm going to click on their name, but like I said, all you have to do is you have to know the person's name. So I'm going to copy their name here. So like I said, if you're copying a YouTuber or trying to join a YouTuber, you know their Roblox name, so just copy their Roblox name, click on the puzzle piece, and then select restore all Roblox server. Now here we want to toggle auto server search on servers per page. We can leave it like this, and the player username here, so just copy the Roblox person's username, and we want to paste their username right here like so. So like I said, if it's a YouTuber or somebody, all we have to do is know their Roblox username, paste it here, close it, click on the puzzle piece, click on restore old Roblox server here, just to confirm that it's saved. And now what we have to do is actually go to the specific game that they're playing. So I'm just going to search for their game. Like I said, if you are viewing a YouTuber and if you know what game they're playing, you would just go to the specific experience here, and then we'll go into the servers tab, and here it's automatically going to detect the person which we have added. So you have to know their username, Roblox username, you have to know the game that they're playing, and you'll be able to find them here from the server list, and it's automatically going to actually detect where or which server the person is in. So you can also refresh this and you can also research, but that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.